Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. This is a ICE Math Olympiad question. P is a point inside an equilateral triangle such that the distances from P to the three vertices are 3, 4, 5 respectively. Find the area of the triangle. So I have drawn a figure, the equilateral triangle. Let it be A. A is here. I am taking A as coordinates 0, 0. And let the side of the equilateral side be S, then certainly B has the coordinate S comma 0, A is 0 comma 0, B has coordinates S comma 0, and C has coordinates. How much it will be? C, it will be S by 2 square root 3 over 2S. Now P is a point from which the distance to the vertices is 3, PA is 3, 4 and 5. So let P as the coordinate x comma y such that it is given PA equals to 3, PB equals to 4 and PC equals to 5. So now distance PA square I can write, this is xy, so it will be x square plus y square equals to 3 square, that will be 9. This is equation 1. PB square similarly equals to s minus x whole square plus y square equals to 16. This is equation 2. Now what is PC? PC will be PC square equals to s over 2 minus x whole square plus root 3 by 2 s minus y whole square equals to 5 square, that will be 25. Equation 3. Now only we have to find the value of this s, or we to solve it. First equation is x square plus y square is equals to 9, and second is this. So equating y square in equation 1 and 2, we get 9 minus x square equals to 16 minus s minus x whole square, or this equals to 9 minus x square equals to 16 minus s square plus x minus x square plus 2sx. So cancelling x square, I'll get 2sx equals to x square minus 7, or x is equals to s square minus 7 over 2s. Now we'll come to equation 3. From equation 3, this will be a square by 4 plus x square minus sx plus 3 by 4 square plus y square minus root 3 sy equals to 25. Now a square over 4 and 3 by 4 square, they makes a square, and this x square plus y square I am taking together, which is 9, and minus sx minus square root 3 sy equals to 25. As this gives me s square plus 9 minus sx minus root 3 sy equals to 25. Or I'm keeping this root 3 sy together to one side, then it will be root 3 sy equals to minus 16 plus s square minus sx. This equals to s square minus 16, and here 2sx is x square minus 7, so sx is minus s square minus 7 by 2. Let me simplify again. So root 3 sy equals to 2s square minus 32 minus s square plus 7 over 2. That is s square minus 25 over 2. From here, I'll separate y. So y equals to s square minus 25 over twice root 3 s. So we got s, we got y. S was, let me write s again. S was how much? S was, this was the s square minus 7 by 2s. And this is not s, this is x. I'm sorry. S square minus 7 by 2s. Now I'll put this x square y square in the equation. It was x square plus y square was 9. So that means s square minus 7 by 2s whole square plus y square is s square minus 25 2 root 3 s whole square equals to 9. So it will be s square minus 7 by 4s square. It can be written in this way, s square minus 25 by 12s square whole square equals to 9. Now simplifying again, here let me take, to make it simple, s square be t. Then I am getting t minus 7 whole square plus by 4t by t minus 25 whole square over 12t equals to 9. Again I'm simplifying, we'll get 3t minus 7 whole square plus t minus 25 whole square equals to 180. So this will be 3 into t square plus 49 minus 14t plus t square plus 625 minus 50t minus 180 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in t. So it is a lengthy question, but since it is a Olympiad question, it can be write that only. So 3t square plus 147 minus 42t plus t square plus 1625 minus 158t equals to 0. Once you understood, you can write yourself 4t square minus 200t plus 772 is 0. or this can be t square minus 50t plus 193 equals to 0, and from this we'll get t equals to 50 plus minus 2500 minus 772 whole over 2. This is equals to 50 plus minus 24 root 3 by 2, or t equals to 25 plus minus 12 root 3. So there are two answers, but since the length from interior is 3, 4, 5, so t should be, side should be greater than 5, then it will be 25 plus something. So it cannot be negative 1. So t equals to 25 plus 12 root 3, not 25 minus root 3. That means s square equals to 25 plus 12 root 3. Now the area of the triangle equals to, because since it is an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4, side square, side was s, so it will be s square. So the answer will be root 3 by 4 multiplies 25 plus 12 root 3. If we'll simplify a little bit, it will be 9 plus 25 over 4 root 3. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.